2014 Chevy Camaro SS. Still got the factory converters there and there. It's got a total of 4. Then we put a bolt-on BORLA kit. I'll get you guys the number in a second so you can see the link in the description. Has a full BORLA cat back system from right there, from the original clamps back on each side, with an X-pipe, built-in X-pipe. Then it continues 2 1/4 all the way back into some BORLA ATAKs right there and right there. There's the kit. Goes all the way straight back into some 4-inch double wall tips there and there. The BORLA kit system is a 140532. If you guys are interested, there'll be a link in the description to where to purchase it. All right, guys. Hope you guys like it. Instagram tag us at the Exhaust Addicts. Yeah, oh, put it in park. I forgot the sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. About 103, 104. It's not too bad. It's perfect. It'll probably get a little bit louder too.
Yeah, I'm thinking about putting some headphones.
Oh, really? Hell yeah. Are you gonna get long tubes?
Yeah.
Are you gonna have them with cat? We can put them on as long as they have cats.
Yeah, they gonna have them on.
Yeah, bring them. We can put them in for you.
I was gonna ask you, y'all.
Yeah. He's the master of those. You'll just have to leave them with us for a day or so. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Camaro. Beautiful car. Any car in black never disappoints. You know, the look, it just changes the whole look of it. Even a Prius. Sick. Beast mode. Hope you guys enjoy. 2012 Chevy Camaro SS convertible. Let you guys hear it. We did a resonator and a muffler delete on it. That's how they're supposed to sound like. Monster on wheels. Hope you guys like it. You always want to take the resonators, the mufflers, everything out. They got exhaust flaps, you want to take them out. That's the resonator that we took out right there. We did a muffler delete earlier in the week, but it wasn't loud enough, so we made it louder. There's always a way to make it louder. All right, guys, this is a 2010 Chevy Camaro SS. What we did on it for the customer is it's got high flow BBK headers and high flow catalytic converters, and he just got these CORSA mufflers that were used that he had on it and cut them off, and he put them back on, and we just put some 4-inch black tips on it for him on this side and this side. There's the black tips right there. There's the CORSA mufflers. It's got a factory X pipe on it. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. 2010 Chevy Camaro SS. Really good. Oh wow, that's the CORSA system. CORSA mufflers. Wow. I like it. Yeah, those things would look a lot better on it. It's got BBK long tube headers and high flow cats. Well, 2.5-inch system all the way back. So we did this about a few months ago, 2010 Chevy Camaro, and we added some work to it, but it had headers on it, long tube headers, there and there, high flow cats, there and there, then 3-inch system all the way back. It's an SS, all the way. We added sleeves in and connected the MBPRs. Straight pipe tip, straight pipes out the back, there and there. And then he was complaining about drone inside. So he went and did research and found out that the Solo J pipes, they call them, which we just installed, these right here, Solo J pipes, right there and right there. They are supposed to take away all the drone, or help with it at least, especially at high RPMs. So we'll let you guys hear it and see it in a minute. And this is the name of it, Solo Performance J Pipes. If you guys want the link, hopefully we'll find the link in the description for you guys. Try to help you out. And these expand here for it to go in and out, and depending on the drone. Those pipes expand too. So we tucked them up nice and hidden, you don't see them. So he can adjust them whenever he wants. Again, they're called Solo J pipes. Right there, by Solo Performance. And it's a 2010 Chevy Camaro SS. This is what it sounds like after we put those on. And you guys can see an earlier video without them. Decibels on it. Go ahead. 125. Woo. Man, we got so much comments on this one. Have you been watching it on our channel? A lot of positive stuff about it, man. You think it toned it down a little bit compared to before? Or you don't hear it different? better on the inside. Peace, mode. 2010 Chevy Camaro SS 6.2 liter V8. It's got long tube headers there, high flow cats. It's a kit, then 3-inch all the way back, and then they ordered some MBRPs axle backs, but they didn't fit, so we fixed them. We added 2 sleeves on there, 3-inch, one there, all the way out the back. Is it an MBRP full system? It's a complete system right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. It came out really beautiful. It's gonna sound like a beast. Go ahead. Is the sound decibels on it? Go ahead. Give it gas. Let's see the sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. 125. Go ahead and back it up. That rattled the wax in my ears. Sounds absolutely beautiful. Let me get you to park it over there if you don't mind. Or you want to take it down the road? Take it down the road and back. Chevy Camaro.
Professional driving.
Go beast mode, don't disappoint. Did you hear me? Go beast mode, don't disappoint. '10 Chevy Camaro 6.2 liter.